Go to google.com, then type UiPath Studio. Click on download UiPath Studio for free. And hide that pop-up and get automation cloud for community. That's the one you want to get. So click on that link and now enter email address and password, and then enter your verification code from your email address, and then click continue button. Once you're done, give a display name, and then select your country, then select state and click next button. And here you're going to type your cloud organization name. That is very important. Once you're done, it will create a cloud account for you, and then it will log you into UiPath Cloud. So I'm going to close this window and then click Home tab. And if you click on the orchestrator, this is the most important piece in UiPath Cloud. For these demos, I'm going to quickly click and show you what are the different tabs it has. But in the next video, I'm going to go more in detail. So see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.